Good day everyone! This is Sir JM. Andito na naman tayo para matuto ng math. Tara! Our lesson for today is all about solving problems involving proportion. Quarter 3, Grade 9 Math, Week 5. If m is to n is equal to 4 is to 3, find 3m minus 2n is to 3m plus n. Let's have our fundamentals. M over n is equal to 4 over 3. Therefore, m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3. Find 3m minus 2n is to 3m plus n. Since the value of our m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3, we substitute the value to our given 3m minus 2n is to 3m plus n. 3 times 4, that is for the value of m, minus 2 times 3, the value of n, is to 3 times 4 plus 3. Simplify. We have 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And we have 3. 12 minus 6 is, yes, very good. That is 6. Is to 12 plus 3 is, yes, 15. Therefore, our given ratio is 6 is to 15. And let us simplify that given ratio into 2 is to 5. Therefore, 3m minus 2n is to 3m plus n is equal to 2 is to 5. Number 2. Solve for the ratio of u is to v if u squared plus 3uv minus 10v squared is equal to 0. Let's have our solution. U squared plus 3uv minus 10v squared is equal to 0. Since the given is a quadratic equation, let us factor this given equation into quantity u plus 5v times u minus 2v is equal to 0. We have u plus v is equal to 0. Transfer positive 5v at the right side. It becomes u is equal to negative 5v. And divide both sides by v. U over v is equal to negative 5 over 1. Therefore, u is to v is equal to negative 5 is to 1. Let's have u minus 2v is equal to 0. Transfer negative 2v. It becomes positive. Therefore, u is equal to 2v. Divided both sides by v. U over v is equal to 2 over 1. Therefore, u is to v is equal to 2 is to 1. Number 3. If r, s, and t represent three positive numbers such that r is to s is to t is equal to 4 is to 3 is to 2. And r squared minus s squared minus t squared is equal to 27. What is the values of r, s, and t? First, let's have our solution. We have r over 4 is equal to s over 3 is equal to t over 2 is equal to k. We have r over 4 is equal to k. S over 3 is equal to K. T over 2 is equal to K. Cross multiply, it becomes R is equal to 4K, S is equal to 3K, and T is equal to 2K. Apply the value of R, S, and T to our given equation. R squared minus S squared minus T squared is equal to 27. R is equal to 4K, S is equal to 3K, and T is equal to 2K. It becomes 4K squared minus the quantity of 3K squared minus the quantity of 2K squared is equal to 27. Then, simplify. We have 16K squared minus 9K squared minus 4K squared is equal to 27. Then, simplify 16 minus 9 or 16K squared minus 9K squared, it becomes, yes, it becomes 7K squared minus 4K squared, yes, it becomes 3K squared is equal to 27. Then, divide it both sides by 3. K squared is equal to 9. Then, what is the next procedure? Yes, square root both sides of our equation, and K is equal to 3. Apply the value of K to our S. Since S is equal to 3K, we have S is equal to 3K is equal to 3. The value of K is 3. Therefore, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Apply to the value of T. T is equal to 2K. T times the value of K is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Apply to the value of R. Therefore, we have R is equal to 4K. 4 times the value of K, 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Next example. If Q over 2 is equal to R over 3 is equal to S over 4 is equal to 5Q minus 6R minus 7S over X. Find the value of X. Let us equate this given proportion to K. Therefore, our solution is Q over 2 is equal to R over 3 is equal to S over 4 is equal to 5Q minus 6R minus 7S over X is equal to K. We have Q over 2 is equal to K, R over 3 is equal to K, S over 4 is equal to K, and 5Q minus 6R minus 7S over X is equal to K. We have Q is equal to 2K. We cross multiply it. Then R is equal to 3K. S is equal to 4K. And lastly, we have 5Q minus 6R minus 7S is equal to KX. Applying the value of Q, R, and S to our given equation, 5Q minus 6R minus 7S is equal to KX. It becomes 5, the value of Q, 2K minus 6, the value of R, 3K minus 7, the value of S, 4K is equal to KX. Then we have 5 times 2K is 10K minus 6 times 3K is 18K minus 7 times 4K is 28K is equal to KX. Now, let us simplify. We have 10K minus 18K minus 28K is equal to KX. Let us simplify. 10K minus 18K. Yes. Negative 8K minus 28K. Correct. It becomes negative 36K is equal to KX. Divide both sides by k. The value of our x is equal to negative 36. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to follow, share, and like my FB page at SirJM. Baka matyan. And subscribe to my YouTube channel at SirJM 2023. See you in our next lesson. Baka matyan.